Hey Mochi, this is your request. So punta ka sa home, punta ka sa P2P trading, click mo yung P2P trading, and then since magsisell tayo ng dollar, punta ka sa sell, click mo yung sell dyan sa taas, and then for the buyers of dollars naman, it's either of the two, P2B or rapid exchange. Kita naman kung gaano ka accurate yung trades. And kung wala ka bang amount, yung available balance, click mo yung plus sign. Yung plus sign na yan, click mo yan. And click mo yung transfer. And ayun, mag-add ka lang ng kung ilang amount yung gusto mong ibebenta. But in this example, $200 yung ibebenta natin in this video. So click lang done. And then balik ulit. Magkakaroon ka na ng available balance. So click mo lang all. And for the payment method naman, choose a payment method. Click mo lang yan. And as you requested GCash, but it's all the same. So in this case, I'll be using bank transfer, which is C-Bank or Maribank na siya as of now. So dyan na ako. Yan lang yung gagamitin natin for the sake of this video. But for GCash, almost same lang yan as long as merong option yan for the buyers natin ng dollar. So click lang yan. And then continue. And then ayun, naka-pending payment na tayo. Click mo itong chat box na to, chat box icon. I-click mo lang yan para magme-message yung buyer. Maghihingi yan ng QR. Yan na, nag-chat na siya. QR please. So isa-send mo lang yung QR code ng receiving bank. And all you need to do is to wait for the payment na ma-receive. So in this case, nag-notify na yung seller na na-receive. Punta ka lang doon sa orders. Doon sa paid. Click mo yung paid and then bago mo ipindutin yung payment receive, always double check kung na-receive mo ba talaga yung pera. So in this case, chinek ko sa Maribank account. So chinek ko dito if pumasok ba talaga yung pera or hindi. Ayan, scroll lang and ayun, boom. Na-receive ko yung amount successfully. So it means confirmed yung transaction. So back ulit tayo and then click yung payment receive. Click mo yung I have received the payment and the payer's name, etc. So click mo yung continue and then password. Anything password dyan. Lagay niya lang yung password niya dyan and then boom. Ganun lang kadali mag-sell ng dollar. Bye-bye.